Let's see what happens when cargo is lost at sea. With Quadrant Legal. Introduction. Imagine this. Millions worth of cargo disappears into the ocean. Who is responsible? The shipowner? The charterer? Or does the loss fall on the cargo owner? In maritime law, the answer isn't always simple. In this video, we break down exactly what happens when cargo is lost at sea, and who ultimately pays. What does loss of cargo mean? Cargo loss can happen in many ways. It may be a total loss, where all goods are destroyed or lost, or a partial loss, where only some of the cargo is affected. Common causes include severe weather, fire on board, collisions, container loss overboard, and even piracy. Who is initially liable? In most cases, the carrier, often the shipowner or operator, is responsible for the cargo during transit. This responsibility comes from the contract of carriage, usually evidenced by a bill of lading. The carrier has a duty to properly load, handle, store, and deliver the cargo safely. If cargo is lost, the cargo owner will typically bring a claim against the carrier. Defenses available to the carrier. However, carriers are not always liable. Under international rules like the Hague-Visby rules, carriers have several defenses. These include perils of the sea, which refers to extraordinary natural events like storms. They may also avoid liability in cases of fire, acts of war, or other exceptions, provided they were not negligent. If the carrier can show they exercised due diligence to make the ship seaworthy, they may escape liability. General average. In some situations, cargo loss is intentional, for the greater good. This is called general average. For example, if cargo is thrown overboard to save the ship during a storm, the loss is shared by all parties involved. So even if your cargo wasn't lost, you may still have to contribute financially. Role of insurance. This is where marine insurance becomes crucial. Cargo owners usually insure their goods, so if cargo is lost, they claim compensation from their insurer. Organizations like the International Group of P&I Clubs play a key role in covering shipowner liabilities. Without insurance, the financial loss can be devastating. Claim process. When cargo is lost, the claim process begins immediately. The cargo owner must notify the carrier, gather evidence, and file a claim within the legal time limits. Delays in filing claims can result in losing the right to compensation. Conclusion. So, what happens when cargo is lost at sea? It depends on the contract, the cause of loss, and whether legal defenses apply. But one thing is clear, marine insurance and proper legal understanding make all the difference. The information provided here is for education purpose only and does not constitute as a legal advice or solicitation. Subscribe and join our community and stay informed. Welcome aboard. Like, share, and subscribe.